Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. I am Clean with Barbie. So unfortunately the big job why I came to Hungary. I mean not that was the only reason why I came to Hungary. The big cleaning job is not gonna happen now because uh, so the friend tried to support their friend to accept my help. And at the beginning he accepted my help and he said yes for the cleaning. But after he changed his mind. So I knew that I definitely want to help someone, and there was some other house, other people who was asking my help. This home where I'm cleaning now, it was terrible. Like terrible, terrible. The owner passed away, so actually no one lives in this apartment anymore. But I was like, I really wanted to clean. But because I said no at the first time, because I was ready for the man, they started the process. They started to clean out the home. So they showed me some pictures, and I said, like, you know what? At least let me help to clean the bathroom because, Hungary is not that rich country. So if you want to call a cleaning company to clean the apartment, it costs a lot of money. They trying to sell this house, this apartment, because they don't want to keep it, and they want to make good pictures, to make the sale easier. And if they, upload some pictures where the house is totally dirty, they can ask a nice price. I hope you understand. This is not really helpful for someone who lives in this condition, but I still help someone to sell this house on a better, money. And the other thing is, I really like dirty surfaces. So for me, this bathroom is a haven. The other thing is I am, showing the cleaning products, the Hungarian cleaning products, and this is a very, very good cleaning to show how effective the cleaning products what I'm using, and Hungarian people can find this, very good, and they're gonna buy the cleaning products, and they think that's very helpful because that's always an issue to find a great cleaning product. So anyway, I'm an extreme cleaner and I definitely wanted to clean this bathroom. And look at this. You know what I'm talking about it, right? Because this is a haven. Look at these dirty surfaces. I was like, yes, damn, I want to clean this. You can call me stupid. You can call me crazy. I am. Okay. Anyway, so the beginning, what I did, I was like, okay, I'm gonna sweep up the floor first because there was a lot of garbage all around. And after I figured it out, like first I need to move out the door and then take out more garbage and blah blah blah. And after finally I was able to sweep up. And after I was spraying all over the toilet with the lime scale remover, lime scale, limestone. You know what I'm talking about it. And I wanted to leave to cleaning products to work because otherwise I can't clean it. And after I was focusing on the sink, as you see, but the problem was like everything was clogged except the toilet. Thank God. You see, like you see, no, this is what I wanted to say. Like at least one thing what is not clogged. At the beginning, the owner's daughter, the owner passed away, but the daughter asked my help, said maybe it's no water in this apartment. I was like, okay, I have experience with no water in the house, so I can solve the problem. And after they said, like, actually there is water, so I was happy. But look at this. I had no bucket and I had to figure it out how to keep the water, without a bucket. So this is where I figured it out. You can ask like how that's possible. Barbie has no bucket when she's a cleaner. To be honest, I don't have a complete cleaning supplies or what I'm using here in Hungary. because I'm traveling between Spain and Hungary. We just moved to Spain from United States, so it's like we was reaching three countries for a very short time, under a very short time. You know what I mean? So yes, right now we are in my father's house. And I don't want to keep too much stuff here, because they are living here and I'll be just coming for vacation. So that's why sometimes I have to buy new everything and I had no bucket. So that's why I had to use a garbage bag as a bucket. But I think it's a very great idea. So don't tell me I'm not a genius, because I am, right? And now you can use this technique. Next time, if you don't have a bucket, but you have a garbage bag, ta-da, you have a bucket. Okay, you can hear on my voice, I'm like really out of breath. It's because I have a little virus something. It's not really serious. It's just like a stuffy nose and a runny nose, and my voice is like meh, 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 like this. But I'm fine. Two of my kids had the same thing, but everybody is fine. Random Johnny, he's the healthiest man ever, I swear, because he had no runny nose, nothing. But me and the kids, yes. Okie dokie. So you can see the apartment condition is not the best. So don't accept I'm gonna make a brand new bathroom with my cleaning, but it's going to be better than it was before. Look at the sink. Look at the sink. It's beautiful. Oh, and another thing, this video won't be that long. I'm sorry. I try my best. I'm not speeding up, but it's not longer. But still very enjoyable. I enjoy to clean this apartment. And on the next week, what's gonna happen? On the next week, I'm gonna visit another house, and in that house, I will clean the bathroom and the kitchen at the beginning, because this is what I have time. And there, the story is very, very sad, because the lady is 72 years old, I think, and she has cancer, and she's in the hospital, but she can get out on Monday. And I gonna no, actually no, hold on, that was the first story, like she can come out on Monday, but they keeping in Monday, and the lady who asked my help for her will come with me, and she's totally ready for me. She already told me, like, Barbie, I'm gonna buy anything what you need. I'm gonna make you some cakes, just because, not cake, like, a cookie or something, because it's such a good thing, like, you are coming and help, and she's super super nice. The house is not that terrible, so this is very interesting thing, like, people who ask my help, they say, like, oh, Barbie, please come, please help for my family, please help for me, because the condition is really really bad. And when they showing pictures for me, the condition is not that bad. I mean, sometimes the picture is not giving back the real situation, you know what I mean, like how actually the house looks like. And sometimes when I go and visit, then I realize, like, okay, this is really really bad, or something, or worse than I was saw on the pictures. It happened also. So on the pictures it's not looking that bad, but the girl is very very worrying. And another thing, if the lady comes home from the hospital with cancer, she needs a clean home, so at the beginning I can help with the kitchen and with the bathroom, and that's going to be good already. And unfortunately I have no time. And I was talking about many many times, the vote is almost here in my country, and we really hope we're gonna get some changes, big changes in my country, because we really really need this. If it's not gonna happen, we can worry about it, like they're gonna close us out of European Union. So it's a very very big thing in my country. It's a lot of bad things happens here. So Hungarian people want change already. So finger crossed, please, for us, because we need this change so bad. And also, it's a very interesting fact for me. I really enjoy my country. So when I went and I moved to United States, I was really I was really, really young, and I wasn't really, for me it wasn't important my country. Okay, it was like, yes, I'm Hungarian, but thank you so much, I lived 24 years here in my country, and now I want to change. And now I'm 37, and I realize like Hungary is not that bad. I mean, okay, now everything is bad in my country, but otherwise it's like I really enjoying. At the beginning, I was really worried about it, like we're gonna move back from United States and I will feel like my country is so bad, it's not that interesting. But I realized I enjoying my country so much. Um, I don't say that I want to move back to my country, and I don't say that I don't want to move back to my country. The only reason why I think we're not gonna move back is because of the kids. The kids has a very, very good chance in their life. They gonna learn like two languages. They already speak English and they can practice the English in Spain because, for example, my son has two classmates who speaks English, so he's not gonna lose the skill. And another thing, they're gonna learn Spanish, which is a very, very amazing thing to speak three languages, you know. And my oldest son, he already can count in a Russian language, you know, because his box teacher is Russian, so he can count. So it's very, very amazing to give the kids so many languages, you know, and they can learn without pressure because this is not really necessary, but they are young enough to learn these languages. But if we would come back to Hungary, Hungarian people, the kids I don't say they don't speak English because some people speak English because they very educated. But so sorry, my son was coming in the room and I forgot what I wanted to say. So people are really, some really educated in my country because we had really, really good schools, you know. But still it's not the same like in Spain. Like Spain has a lot of people who came from other countries and they speak English or other languages, but in my country it's not really. So if they go to the Hungarian school, they will learn Hungarian and sometimes English because we also had the kids has to learn another language, but it's not the same when you speak English or Spanish all day long. Okay. So I think this is the only reason why we're not moving back, and the other because we really want to change in our countries. So, but if it would be only me and random Johnny, and I'm doing this job, I don't care, you know. Otherwise, but here I have kids. So this is like my things, all my things, what is goes through on my head, like what is the best decision in our life, you know. I feel like it's still a question. I love Spain, but it's still, you know, I love my country. So it's very interesting. Okay, so this was the video today. I really hope you enjoyed all the thing, like the stories what I said, the cleaning what I show you today, and on the next week I definitely will visit that lady who I was talking about it. I forgot what I want to say. Yes, I'm a little bit sad about it's not happened that big cleaning what I wanted, but this is my luck now. Um, Everything what I want is not happening, so I think I need to chill a little bit and just, you know, not thinking, not overthinking about everything. Okay, so here is the changes. Unfortunately, as I told you before, this apartment is very, very old, so I can do big changes, but some, you know. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And now you can hype, so please hype my videos, and we're gonna see each other, you know, each other on the next week. So beautiful Easter for everyone. um Beautiful weekend and everything. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.